Say happy birthday. Come on, you can do it. It's Kehung Lin's birthday.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Joyeux anniversaire Kehung Lin.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin. Happy birthday, Kehung Lin. Hope you get to do all your favorite things.
Happy birthday to my friend Kehung Lin.
Wishing you a very happy birthday from the tip of my tail to the end of my nose. And may all your dreams come true.
Breaking news. It's Kehung Lin's birthday, again? How is that even possible? Didn't we just celebrate this last year? Stay tuned for a rundown on all the birthday party festivities.
Happy birthday, my friend Kehung Lin.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Can you help me find Kehung Lin's party?
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Happy birthday, Kehung Lin.
Wait, what? You can talk? Please subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment. Maybe tell me something special about your dogs. Now, let's get Kehung Lin's party started.